Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to enable Find My on your iPhone. So first thing, open settings, then you need to connect to your iCloud account. I'm already connected, so all you need to do is click on your profile here. Then you need to click on Find My here. After that you need to turn on your Find My. I already done it, but in your case it will be off here. All you need to do is turn it on. After that, make sure to enable Find My Network and send last location. Then from here, make sure that Share My Location is enabled, as you can see here. Then last thing you need to do is go back to your settings, then scroll down until you find Privacy and Security, click on it. Then from here, click on Location Services, then search for Find My, click on it, and then make sure that you are selecting one of these options, ask next time or when I share, or while using the app. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe in the channel. Thank you for watching.